guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought we would do a vlog style nighttime routine. So I just thought I would take you guys with me through my night in quarantine, in isolation. I normally would still be in school right now, but I'm not. Here we are. We're in quarantine, and I just thought that it would be fun to do a nighttime routine. I did a college morning routine recently where I filmed it before all this happened, and you guys said that you wanted to see a quarantine night routine, so here we are. Also, if you want to check out the morning routine, I'll have like link down below at the end of the video. Also, while we're at it, you might as well follow me on Instagram because shameless self-promo. Okay, set the camera up. Hi, hello. My nighttime routine is supposed to be very relaxing for me. I'm a very go person. I think my boobs look huge from this angle. Oh my god. I'm always doing stuff, whether it's like editing a video, doing schoolwork, taking a test, doing like something. I feel like I'm always doing something. So I like to spend night times to just like rewind, relax, kind of like pamper myself and not let myself stress about tomorrow or the day. I don't do yoga. Like I don't like meditate. Like that's not what I'm trying to talk about. It's just like I try to put everything that I have going on away and just have time to relax because I don't normally relax, and I realized that it's pretty good to relax. Right now it is 6 o'clock and I am not hungry for dinner. I ate like 1,000 snacks right before dinner, so I wasn't hungry for it. Normally I eat dinner around like 5 or 6. I eat it pretty early. I ate a lot throughout the day, so I'm not very hungry, and I've been trying to like intuitive eat, you know, like when you're not hungry, like don't eat. I have this problem where like if it's dinner time, I'll eat dinner whether I'm hungry or not. If it's lunchtime, I'll eat lunch whether I'm hungry or not. It just always happens, and I'm trying to be better at it. Right now, are you kidding me? It went away the second I put I was just watching Grey's Anatomy. I've been watching a lot of TV since the quarantine, so I thought that I wanted to watch a show that had like a ton of seasons, so I didn't have to like find a new show soon, because I started a show, watched 4 seasons of it, and then I was like, okay, well now what? So Grey's Anatomy is like 1,000,000 seasons. I'm just rewatching it. I'm on season 6. So I just picked up my room a little bit. I'm still going to pick it up some more. You can see the floor, so that's all that matters. Whoa, I said that really weird. Sorry. I have this cup that needs to go, and then I have a package that I want to open. I don't feel like making my bed. I don't know if you guys are like this, but sometimes I feel like what's the point of making my bed if I'm literally going to sleep in it in 2 seconds. So I am going to put this in the sink. Watch this, ready? My secret talent is being able to balance anything on my head because I have such a flat head. Like, see how flat my head is? See it? Really flat. So the more you know. Just filled up my water, got my reusable straw. Let's set that down. I should turn the TV off. And she's off. I also found my purse. It was in my dining room. There we go. Okay. I put my Apple Watch in here, and I haven't worn it in forever because it's been dead. So we're gonna charge this. It will stay on the charger. Hello? I don't know. The next thing that I want to do right now, it's 6 o'clock. I'm gonna try to exercise at 8. I have an alarm set on my phone for 8 o'clock. It says, get skinny, bitch. I got a package today. I thought I'd unbox it because I need to, nope. I always like almost stab myself with scissors. I bought a mini fan. Recently I bought a treadmill for my filming room because we can't go to the gym since I got a boob job recently. I really can't go out and like exercise that much. You can't exercise that intensely, so I bought a treadmill so I could like speed walk and stuff on it. And never in my life have I ran, but recently I've been like doing like small jogs. Like they're fine, it's okay, but like small. That is my plan for tonight. I always try to work out at night, but sometimes I just get so full. Like I will eat so much food and then I'm like, I can't move. I'm way too full. Can't get this thing open. What is this? Is this a battery? Freaking giant pink battery. Oh, okay. This has so much potential to work, but like not enough to actually work. It works now. It's charging. Quarantine has turned me into getting excited over fans turning on. Remember how I said I wasn't gonna make my bed? I lied. I need to take a thumbnail, and I obviously want it to be cute. So I think I'm gonna make my bed and take the thumbnail, and I'll show you guys me doing it. Using my big camera. I think I'm gonna use my big tripod. Please don't make it. Oh, no, everything is falling. And while I do this, I'm gonna watch Grey's Anatomy. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. I'm struggling right now because I don't know camera settings that well, and everything just looks so warm toned on here. It's driving me insane, but I don't really know how to fix it because I don't really know how to work camera stuff. Okay, time to review the footage. Oh, this one I can't fast forward. I forgot about that. We have to watch it all in real time. You can see me. Okay, so I absolutely hated everything there. Yeah, all of it. So I'm just gonna take it tomorrow. You know when you feel ugly and you're like, there's no saving this? Like a good filter really can't fix ugly. Like that's what it feels like. But so I made my bed for no reason. I think what I want to do right now is literally just hang out for an hour and a half before I start exercising. Normally I'd light a candle. This one right here is Peach Bellini. It smells so good. I've burned quite a bit of it, but I am upside down for a reason. It is so freaking hot in here. I've been in here all day, so like the body heat and then my ring light just like heated up the room, so it's so hot. I'm just like sweat. We're gonna watch Grey's Anatomy. It can be great. Loading? No, I'm still watching the show, but one thing that I always like to do before a day, so like at nighttime, is make my to-do list for the next day. So I have a weekly to-do list, but then I like to do a really detailed, like hyper detailed to-do list of things that I want to do. It just makes me feel more productive when I can check little things off, like brushing my teeth. Because I don't want to put that on my like weekly to-do list because that's like the main thing. I like to really fill this out, every little thing that I want to accomplish. It just gives me a good idea of where I want to start for the day. I always like to do an order that I want to do it so I can just like follow the list. Here's my list. So I always like to do main things and then kind of like indent it and do things that go along with it or like more into detail of it. Tomorrow I don't really have too much to do. That only filled up this much. This is how I like to be super productive. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I stay motivated and stay productive, and to-do lists are probably the biggest thing that helped me with that. And honestly, sometimes, most of the time, I don't even check off every single thing on my to-do list, but it is nice to write it down and know that I need to get it done eventually, so then it helps me get it done. Okay, here's the deal. I watched one YouTube video, and now I've been spiraling, and I've been watching like the weird YouTube videos when you're like kind of in the weird part of YouTube and you're like, oh, I mean, my channel could be the weird part of YouTube. I've just been watching a bunch of like really weird videos. Super comfy, updating you. I really don't want to work out, but I think I've been talking about it this whole video that I feel like I should. Thought I'd show you guys me getting ready. I haven't done my laundry in a while, so most of my workout clothes are dirty. Workout drawer. That's cute. I'm gonna get dressed. Yeah, this isn't cute, but like whatever. This shirt is from Old Navy and you can like tie it. You can tie it in the back seat. Quite ugly with this sports bra. Honestly, I'll probably take it off when I run. Sports bra. These leggings both are from Forever 21. I actually have never worn these leggings before. I can already tell I hate them. First off, they're not breathable. I'm not even exercising and they're like already really hot. And then the stomach band is not tight at all, so it doesn't suck me in, and it's like loose, like it keeps falling. A little frustrating. I'm sweating so much in these leggings already. I need to take my necklace off. It's a really cute one. Amazon. I don't like getting my jewelry all sweaty. I always put my hair in a bun and I just don't like it when I'm really sweaty and then my hair touches my back, because then it sticks to me and that's just freaking disgusting. Give it a little twisty twirl. I like to make them super tight. Oh, that's too tight. And then I have baby hairs. These ones right here. Yeah. They're too short to fit in the bun. They always stick to my neck because of sweat, so I like to pin those back. Socks ones have little mice eating cheese on them. Should I wear them? So cute. Got these shoes in the 8th grade, but they're still the best shoes ever. They're getting small on me actually. Also, side note, every time I say actually, like actually, I feel like it sounds like I'm saying Ashley. When I say it to a person, I'm always like, oh my god, do they think I'm calling them Ashley? Because I'm not. I would really like to find a new pair of tennis shoes that like fit perfectly to my feet and like help me run the best. They don't have to be cute. I just want more like functional ones. My toe is literally right here, but I love them because they fit the arch of my foot very. I don't think anyone cares about this, but does anyone know places where you can like get running shoes like that, you know? AirPods. Oh, the fan. I can use the fan. Okay, my phone. Anyways, I bought this treadmill on Amazon. It was like a couple $100s. I think it was like $200 or $300, which still is a ton of money, but like a treadmill is only like $1,000 to $2,000. So I got this just to like exercise and just get my heart rate up. So I wanted the fan to like attach to like the back of this, but it wasn't like big enough for it to clip on, so that's what I did. It works pretty well. This is just what I like to do. I do anywhere between like 15 minutes to an hour depending on like if my legs are hurting. I'll show you guys basically what I do on here. It's really simple. It's honestly not that like fit, whatever. I like to go on YouTube and search concerts, like celebrity concerts. So right now I'm watching Taylor Swift 1989 World Tour concert, and then basically every song I walk at like a fast. This doesn't have an incline, which is kind of annoying, but I speed walk through it out at all, and then I will jog, like run for a minute to a minute and a half of every song. I'm not very good at running. We're getting there. It's a work in progress. I would show you guys like a time lapse of me doing it, or like little clips, but then that means that I literally have to get off the treadmill, turn the camera on, set it up, get back on, run, and then stop running, and then go back, turn it off, then come back on, and that just kind of annoys me, so I'm not going to. I'll show you guys me starting it. Here we go. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I need to turn the fan on. Whoa. Okay, so I was on it for 30 minutes. I didn't do the whole hour. I probably could have. Maybe I should. Should I go for another 30? I don't know. The concert I was watching ended, so I was like, well, now what? So I listened to music for a little bit. I don't know. I think the concerts, if you guys are like me and you need like music to pump you up, but you also need like a visual distraction, like a TV show, isn't enough because it's like the energy's not there. I always find that I can do it a lot longer and a lot harder when my mind is distracted and I'm listening to like hype music. Watching like concerts on YouTube, a lot of people like put them on for free, like the professionally like done ones. Just did another 15. I feel like I probably could have done an additional 15 on top of that and made it like 30, so then it would equal an hour altogether. I was bored and I was like, I don't want to do this anymore, so I gave up because I was bored. Hello. Right now I'm gonna wash my face. I'll show you guys my skincare routine. This is the cute angle we're working with. Hello, look at my double chin. This is the face wash that I use. It's Cetaphil. I use Gentle Skin Cleanser for face and body, not the oil-free one, because I don't have oily skin. If I have makeup on, which I don't right now, I will take the Clinique Take the Day Off foam. Oh my god, I have the makeup eraser that I keep forgetting to use. This is also a really good exfoliator. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. It's a chemical exfoliator. I really like this for days that I exfoliate, but today ain't one of those days. I turn the water off when I'm not using it, and then we just wash. I have found that the less I do to my skin, the better it behaves. And by less, I mean I still do something, but like not a ton. Back to my room. Let's sit down and get to business. Oh, the water's empty. Great. This is my favorite moisturizer. I just rebought it. Clinique Moisture Surge Intense. This stuff is so good. If you guys have dry skin, so mine, for a while, it was like combo to dry, I would say. It was dry. I want to put chapstick on. So this is Pat McGrath chapstick. It's their Lip Fetish Lip Balm. I'm a big fan of Burt's Bees. Chapstick's super cheap. You can get it at your local Target, anywhere. This stuff is a lot more expensive. After I saw my like quarantine haul that I did, I bought like a lip kit of just like a bunch of moisturizing lip products, and I've been really liking this one. Honestly, I must say my lips long term are more moisturized with the Burt's Bees, but I like the way this feels on my lip. I feel like I have to reapply it more than I would with the Burt's Bees because it's not as moisturizing. It just kind of is like balmy, but I just like the way it feels, and it's bougie, and I feel rich. Not rich, but like, you know what I mean. Like, I just feel bougie. I'm like, I'm treating myself. I have two eye creams here, one that I've never tried and one that I've been using for a while. This is the Retinol Eye Cream by First Aid Beauty, and then this is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I think I'm gonna try out the new one. I can't even tell with eye creams if they work. I don't know. Preventative skincare, I guess. I don't know. Kind of is like one of those like lip balms that you share with people. Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, let's put it on my ring finger because it's the most delicate finger. I don't know why I whispered that. All the beauty gurus say to pat in your eye cream. You don't want to rub because wrinkles. I never really pat. I kind of swoop. I know that's not like correct. I'm lazy. This is the Babe Lash Essential Lash Serum Mini. So this stuff is for your eyelashes to grow and line it on my lash line. This stuff is really good. I used it a while ago and it changes the game. Sometimes I put it in my lower lashes, but I don't really feel like doing it now. I've been trying to wear my blue light glasses a lot more recently. These are from Target. No, they're from Amazon. I've been trying to wear them because I like to watch TV for hours and hours at night. So I'm gonna put some pajamas on. Most of my pajamas are literally so dirty. I guess whatever I wear to bed is gonna be weird, but it's clean. The outfit I chose is very like ASU-y. I'm gonna leave my hair like this just because I want to like limit like the sweatiness that it gets everywhere. My plans for the rest of the night are pretty simple. It's 9 o'clock right now, so I think that what I want to do is fill up my water, and then normally I will just like hang out in bed, Snapchat friends, watch Grey's Anatomy, watch a movie, Disney Plus, like a Lizzie McGuire or something. One of my like most favorite things ever is to respond to your guys' DMs. I always do that at like nighttime. I also like to randomly DM people that like recently followed me. That is something that I actually do quite often at night. By the way, follow me on Instagram. Self promo. Hey, that's all I really do at night. So since I'm not doing much, I thought I might just end the video here because it's already long enough. And do you really want to watch me watch TV? Some of you might. I don't know. But I just want to say that I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not following me on Instagram, you should. If you're not subscribed, go do it. Wow, didn't know I could get that angle. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. That was a weird. Bye.